My name is Tom van Arman. I am a smart city architect, and for the last 6 months at Arcam, I was an architect in residence exploring these principles of smart city architecture. The physical worlds and the digital worlds are kind of colliding at the moment, and to solve all of these problems and challenges of contemporary cities today, there's a digital layer that we need to engage with. And so I wanted to work with the Arcam's community to explore what those concepts were in terms of smart energy, future mobility, open data, artificial intelligence, circular economics. We as architects need to start getting much more intimately more familiar with these topics. Data is becoming a new design tool. Cities of the futures are going to have to be super open, super transparent, and there's a lot of resistance for obvious reasons about the abuse of these technologies. But now that's all spilling over into public space, so we need to have very strong opinions about what all of these kinds of technologies means to make a better city and not make a more surveillance type of city, that we're using all of these insights for good and not evil. Everything that we're doing as of now should be privacy by design. We need to coexist with all of these new types of sensors that are inundating our built environments, but also being able to identify them. And so Arcam produced this wonderful guide to show the public where these technologies are in our living environment. And I wrote a chapter called Protection by Design to explore these kinds of dilemmas that we're facing as society about this perpetual monitoring, surveillance. I invited all of the designer communities, architects, urban planners to do a master class or course in smart city architecture to become more familiar with these types of technologies and how they can become tools to help their own professions. And having discussion about what other kinds of things we could be doing collectively in a co-creation process. The changes are coming, but are those changes coming from the governments and the big techs, or are they coming from us?